Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the Land Rover Defender 110 crew cab owned by the Cannon Run. One thing Jay was after from the Cannon Run was adding in bass to the vehicle as well as an LED light bar. We've done exactly that. I'm going to be walking you through the whole step-by-step process on the install. In terms of the solution that we've gone for is two Eton 10-inch subs. One thing Jay from the Cannon Run didn't want to have was any space taken up, but wanted to add loads more bass, loads more punch to when he was driving along the road, enjoying the music, and he wanted to add that bass into the vehicle. And that's exactly what we've done, a completely hidden away solution. Bear in mind, this does only work on the 110 crew cab. What we've done is mounted two 10-inch Eton powered subs behind the rear seats. So there's zero room taken up. Everything is installed to the highest possible standards and it absolutely rocks. So it's bolted through into the vehicle. It's done to the highest possible installation standards. And I'm sure when he collects the car and he's driving down the road in this Defender on Land Rover, which is one of the events from the Cannon Run, he's going to be over the moon with it, and he's just going to be absolutely loving the music. Now, it already had an aftermarket radio already installed into it. So what we've done is link directly into that. So all of the sub control is done directly via the actual head unit itself. So that's basically the base. Everything's run in terms of down exactly where manufacturer wiring would run, and everything's installed to the highest possible standards. Then what we've also wired in is an LED light bar. When I called Jay and asked him exactly what he was after, and the vehicle got delivered to us on the low loader, I picked up the phone to him and I said, how do you want your light bar wired? Would you like it on a high beam or would you like it off a switch? And he goes, "You're Cambridge Car Audio, you can do both, surely." So that's exactly what we've done. We've used switchgear and relays behind the scene to make that actually possible. What we've got is two switches now mounted in the vehicle. First switch, basically, if you turn that on, the high beam works. So as soon as you hit the high beam, you get not only your high beam, but you also get the new flash light bar working. Then what we've got is a separate switch, which then turns off that switch and allows that switch to manually turn your light bar on and off without your high beam on. So loads of functionality added into exactly how Jay Cannon wanted it on the Land Rover Defender. System absolutely rocks in terms of sound, adding in bass. We also, right next to me, I've actually got another Defender 110. That's in for a full soundproofing system. So that was going to be coming in live on our channel very, very soon. So make sure you stay tuned to that by hitting the subscribe button. But please like, share the video, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.